Hey guys, so today we're making bitterleaf soup, aka Ofe Onugbu. So I'm just going to be washing this lightly. And here is my cocoyam. I'll cook and blend to puree. So we are using goat meat and cow skin, which is pomo, already cleaned. And lastly, we're using yellow and green scotch bonnet pepper. And over there is my ogiri and stockfish. So my stockfish and cow skin is almost ready. So I transferred to my cooking pot and pour in my blended scotch bonnet pepper and my meat broth. Guys, bitterleaf soup is one soup my family loves so much. And guess what guys, this is so nutritious and delicious. So I'll suggest you introduce this soup and recipe to your family. You just have to watch till the end so you get to see how I combine everything. Now I added my oil, crayfish powder. So guys, everything I use for this recipe is going to be on the description box. Please do well to check, okay? So next I added my salt and seasoning powder. So my people, if you are cooking this delicious soup, make sure your nets are properly closed, okay? Because the flies that will come and drag with you, if it's not closed. So this is the reason I am screaming, close your nets properly, oh. So guys, ogiri is the oga patapata of them all. If ogiri is not in your bitterleaf soup, bro, that is not bitterleaf soup, okay? So after adding my ogiri, I covered for about 5 minutes. So next, I added my neatly deboned Kpala fish. Now this is optional. I added black pepper for extra heat. So to my old and new subscribers, thank you very much for joining this beautiful family. And if you've not subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Subscription is free, totally free. So next I added my puree, my cocoyam, my blended cocoyam puree. So after this, I stirred, then covered to cook for about 15 to 20 minutes. So guys, I'm not adding my goat meat yet because I overcooked it. So I'm just gonna wait till I'm almost done with cooking before adding. So next, I added my bitter leaf. Guys, I washed my bitter leaf lightly because I love to feel the bitter taste. That's why it's called bitter leaf soup. And guess what? That's where the nutrient lies. Tell me, what is bitter leaf soup without you feeling that bitter taste, So after adding my bitter leaf, I left this to cook for about 10 minutes. Then finally, I added my already cooked goat meat. And at this point, guys, my kitchen was calling. And finally guys, our bitterleaf soup aka Ofe Onugbu is ready. So thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.